Most of the verses these producers are showing in the titling of this video are quoted out of context and are without the Arabic text. These are the same guys who have changed their Bible and are descendants of the people who changed their holy books in the past and sold a variety of distorted versions to ignorant people of their time in order to gain transitory power, money, and status. And now they are devoid of any authentic book of guidance and they are all astray. All those guys are long gone. They are dead and are in hell burning forever. You may disagree with me for the time being, but if you take it positively and ponder over it, you will know that if the hell after death happens to be true, then would you like to burn there forever? Would you like to be the resident of fire? No sensible person would opt for it. But take the route that is neutral and is not debauchous and will not engage in the tempering of the guidance and instructions sent down by God for the welfare of humans and their societies in general. On the contrary, what is being done is the tempering with the instructions and guidance of God that the producers of this video are doing. In short, gentlemen, I would appeal to your intelligence and ask you a question. By the way, what a religion is? You may have thesis. You may have thesis on it. But all would be wrong. I know thesis is going to be wrong. The answer is simple. The religion is a correct, infallible, positive, social developmental, peace promoter code of conduct. The healthier the code of conduct is, the stronger the religion is, the united a society is. I would also like to ask you another question. Who knows best what is good for human being? What laws are good? What laws are long lasting? What kind of behavior and living codes are conducive to the society as a whole? The correct answer indeed is that the maker of human being knows best. And who is the maker of human being? Everyone will say, of course, it is God. And that is to say Allah in Arabic. Do you know what the Quran is? I'll tell you. It is the latest, though 1500 years old, authentic, most comprehensive code of conduct for the humans of the whole world and not just for a region. Contrary to previous books or booklets of revolutions that were sent down by God to govern the societies of a particular region. This is a miraculous book. Quran is a miraculous book brought to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam by the supreme angel. This was conveyed verse by verse over a period of 23 years to the Prophet, governing the way of life of people, legislating from time to time, from case to case, from situation to situation, directing under each set of circumstances. The code of conduct of the Quran is based on reward and punishment. You are punished when you are intentionally wrong. You are rewarded when you are intentionally right. Your striving for goodness with yourself, your family, your society, your nation, and your world, living and non-living alike, is the guarantee of heaven, a place of blissful living forever. The Quran is a book of guidance for the whole of humanity and jinn being until the end of times. It contains the verses that the modern science has proven beyond any doubt that this knowledgeable scientific mention could not have been made by an illiterate person who happens to be Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but by an all-knowledgeable one God, who is the maker, the owner, the ruler of the complete and absolute universe, whose dominion is not only on universe, but is also over the spacelessness and timelessness outside our known universe. The video tells you a concocted story claimed to be based on Quran. Why should you believe or even listen to any Tom, Dick and Harry's statement or story? Please go ahead and get a copy of Quran by yourself. It is available in the market in every language. And the best source for you, I tell you, is the Islamic Center in your region. If you just want to read, go there and read it in their library itself. Don't buy. Gentlemen, exercise your right to know. Don't fall prey to these professors